Service in Cleveland has issued a flood warning for the Scioto River near LaRue from this evening until late Saturday night at 4 p.m. Friday. The stage was 10.5 feet minor flooding. This forecast flood stage is 11 feet at 12 feet. Flooding occurs in lowland areas in and around the village of LaRue. Route 37 and parts of Vine Street inundated. The National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a flood warning for the Scioto River near Prospect from this afternoon until late Saturday night at 4 p.m. Friday. The stage was 8.9 feet minor flooding. This forecast flood stage is 9 feet at 10 feet. Highway 203 is inaccessible north of Prospect. Flooding occurs near Elm Street in northern parts of Prospect.